Let me thank my colleague for yielding and express my support for H.R. 3, the No Taxpayer Funding for Abortion Act. This common sense bipartisan legislation codifies the Hyde Amendment and similar policies by permanently applying a ban on taxpayer funding of abortion across all federal programs. Last year, we listened to the American people through our America Speaking Out project, and they spoke out on this issue loudly and clearly. And we included it in our Pledge to America. And today, we're taking another step toward meeting that commitment in keeping our word. A ban on taxpayer funding of abortion is the will of the American people and ought to be the law of the land. But the law, particularly as it is currently enforced, does not reflect the will of the American people. This has created additional uncertainty, given that Americans are concerned not just about how much we're spending, but how we're spending it. Enacting this legislation would provide the American people with the assurance that their hard-earned tax dollars will not be used to fund abortions. And I want to commend the leadership of the gentleman from New Jersey, Mr. Smith, and the gentleman from Illinois, Mr. Lipinski, and I urge my colleagues to support this bill.